Welcome back. In this section, we are going to discuss about real-time analytics database. First of all, let us see what is the meaning of real-time analytics. Real-time analytics is a process of analyzing data as soon as it enters a database. This allows user to draw conclusion quickly and react without delay. So now let's move to the real-time analytics database. The ability to store, process and retrieve data at a blazing fast speed in one of the core component of modern business that intend to make data-driven decisions. Real-time analytics database handles analytics on large amount of data by optimizing resources to enable compute heavy workload. So that's all about this lecture. See you in the next video.